All right, guys, you must probably have seen the screenshot I want to share with you anyway. Okay, somebody from Estate is earning $200 daily. In 5 days' time, which is Monday to Friday, how much will that be? That will be $1,000. So, which means in 4 weeks' time, this guy will be earning $4,000 monthly basis, right? And guess what? All the earnings that you are going to be seeing in my back office just now and the screenshots that I'm going to share with you that are all legit with zero referral. If you think that I'm sharing this video because I want to get your referral bonus, you are just not 100% correct, because the money you are looking at right now has nothing to do with referral bonus. Referral bonus is different. Don't get me wrong. Estate do compensate the people that are sharing this opportunity with you. They compensate their agents, their real estate agents. Okay, there is a bonus commission for us. But what you are looking at right now in front of you, this $200 per day, is pure profit without referral. Let me show you the screenshot that has been shared in our official Telegram channel. So this, you can see that this our member purchased a business real estate and is earning between $175 to $210. You can see the screenshot, right? Remember, this is the profit history of one single real estate. As you can see on my left hand side here, purchased 3 fractional real estate of houses. Okay, so it's got 3 different contracts under houses, and it's got 1 business contract, and that is what is giving him this kind of earnings on a daily basis. So I don't want to share any more screenshots with you guys, okay? But this is real and it is legit. For anybody looking to join this platform, you are more than welcome to use the link below this video description to do so, because people are earning real money here, okay, and they are able to withdraw as well, because some platforms you will earn but you won't be able to withdraw. E-estate is different. E-estate is special. E-estate is legit. E-estate is consistent. E-estate can be trusted, because when you earn $200, any amount that you earn on a daily basis, as long as that money is up to $1 per day, you will be able to withdraw that money, and the money will get processed within 30 minutes. Although the official time says 24 hours, within 24 hours you will receive your profit. When you apply to withdraw that profit, they will process it within 24 hours. But experience has shown that the withdrawal process is even faster than the 24 hours they have put in the platform, right? So people are withdrawing on a daily basis and people are happy with the platform. Before I end this video, let me show you one more screenshot from one of our team members in my private group. He said, my first withdrawal on E-estate just landed within 5 minutes. So this is a testament to what I'm telling you, that you will be able to earn and withdraw daily. Not just earning, but you will be able to withdraw daily. So guys, the link to join is below this video description. If you wish to join my team in E-estate, please make use of that link. Take action. Let your money work for you, because this platform is legit and the income you are getting is a legit income. Okay, so guys, thank you and God bless. I will see you in my next E-estate video.